Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So let's discuss the index levels for coming week, and I want to share that along with that I'm sharing the Q4 result. I'm doing the Q4 result series in which I am getting the stock fundamentally strong stock which is posting very good Q4 results, and I'm discussing their fundamental and buying level also for the investment purpose. So to know the Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank levels, stay connected till the end and smash the like button also, and subscribe the channel for regular update of Nifty and index levels and those stocks which are posting the Q4 results for their buying level for long term. So let's start video for the index levels in which especially share regularly the Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank levels. Sometimes I also bring some other index also where I feel it is going to break out, or there is something to share, if there is something to inform you for education purpose. So today but I am sharing the Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank level. So in last week, no big news in stock market. So Q4 results are going on. Companies are posting their Q4. So according to that, depending on those results, sometimes Nifty react. Otherwise, the Brent oil is on around the 90 level, 89 to 90, between 89 to 90, which is quite raises the eyebrows because it is little. It should not go beyond 100 or beyond 9. मतलब 95 90 के ऊपर ही थोड़ा risky है. And geopolitical issue is now cooling off. I mean cooled off. So this was a small thing which is not very actually significant for the stock market. Yes, just wanted to talk about that two three things. Now I will come to the chart. I will come to the chart and I will see, I will show you this same range, same channel. Nifty 50 is trading. I will keep drawing this channel because this is only important to discuss so that you can understand what is happening here. Nifty 50 is not breaking this channel either upside or downside. But yes, last time it has taken a good reversal also, and it was trading even above the 20 EMA. But उसके बाद से last Friday what happened, that Nifty 50 taken a sharp I will say yes, sharp fall. Yes, it has not broken the important support which is 22,003 around. Yes, 20 EMA, I will say 20 EMA का जो एक important support था which is 22,300. Nifty 50 has not broken yet. We'll see it is breaking next week or not, or it will take reversal from here. So this support actually is still very important, which is actually by 22,300. But yes, on resistance side, it will definitely take resistance on all time high, which is exact I will say 22,775 around. So it will definitely take resistance here, but yes, after breaking it, it will go to the 22,900. अभी I don't see 22,900 या फिर 23,000. एक्चुअली मैं एग्जैक्ट राउंड फिगर में बात करूँ तो 23,000. आई डोंट सी इट इज गोइंग टू ब्रेक दिस 23,000 इन मतलब कुछ महीनों में. तो as election is also going on, voting is also going on, so all these things are going to affect. Mainly the result is going to affect the stock market. So let's see what happens. That will actually will come in June, so that will talk later in coming month. but abhi ke liye yes, it's very peace, बहुत शांति से Nifty 50 is trading in this range. यहाँ पे एज आई सेड 22,000 का फर्स्ट सपोर्ट 300, 22,300 का फर्स्ट सपोर्ट, ये इमीडिएट सपोर्ट इट विल टेक इन कमिंग मीन्स मे बी मंडे ट्यूसडे। बट हाँ, अगर इसको ब्रेक कर देगा तो very next support is 50 EMA, which is 22,150, and then after 22,000 yes, अगर मैं राउंड फिगर लूँ तो yes exactly 22,000। so 22,000 is actually long time, it has become a long time support, and I don't see nifty 50 is going to break it जब तक कि कोई ऐसी खराब न्यूज़ नहीं आती है। आई डोंट सी इट इज गोइंग टू ब्रेक इन कमिंग वीक। ये 22,000 का एक बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट ऑलरेडी बन चुका है, इसलिए मैंने ये लाइन भी draw की है। You can see I have drawn this line, and which is very very important support, and which is this trend line support are those things. This trend line support is also 22,000, and this support is also 22,000 only. So this 22,000 is very very strong support. Now if we see, so if we go to conclusion, I can see nifty 50 levels for coming week can be support 22,000, and resistance yes 23,000. But yes, keep my small support also in your mind, because ये फाइनल सपोर्ट और रेजिस्टेंस है। बट इसके बीच में एक ये 22,150 का और 22,300 का भी सपोर्ट रहेगा, एंड एक और रेजिस्टेंस रहेगा विच इज all time high 22,775. So now I will go to discuss that. So now we have come to the Nifty Bank chart. See the same range, same channel where Nifty Bank is also trading this, and here support. How beautifully this support Nifty Bank is taking. You can see here 1 2 3 4. This is only for learning. ये एक 20 EMA का एक यहाँ भी इसका सपोर्ट है विच इज 47,000। इफ आई से 600 या फिर ये वाला यस दिस वन, तो दिस वन इज 47,700। 47,700 का भी एक सपोर्ट लेगा, एंड देन फाइनल सपोर्ट विल बी 47,300। बट यस, it should not break this 50 EMA. That's why in this also I have drawn this horizontal line. You can see this is a very important support. Yes, this is not this trend line support, but ये 50 EMA का एक सपोर्ट है जो कि आई कैन सी फॉर शॉर्ट टर्म फॉर नेक्स्ट वीक आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, विच कैन बी 47,300। it should not break 47,000, it should not break 47,300, otherwise it will definitely go to this level which is 47,000 yes 47,000 यहाँ पे यस 47,000 एग्जैक्टली ये एक नेक्स्ट सपोर्ट रहेगा। बट आई एम नॉट, अभी आई एम नॉट जंपिंग ऑन दिस 47,000। हाँ, बट कीप इन योर माइंड इफ इट्स ब्रेकिंग 47,300 immediately, keep in your mind if it's breaking 47,300 immediately it will go to 47,000. So 47,000 are actually finals and very very strong support for the Nifty Bank. So I can say कि okay 47,000 can be a final support, but let's see what happens in next week. Let's see what happens in next week. Accordingly, I will discuss or I will update this levels. So निफ्टी बैंक यहाँ पे आके एक जो कि इसका इसका भी ऑल टाइम है हाई है विच इज एक्चुअली 49,060 अराउंड, एग्जैक्ट फिगर 49,057 है, बट आई एम टेकिंग 49,060। सो यहाँ पे आके ये अगेन एक रेजिस्टेंस फेस कर सकता है, तो इसलिए अभी के लिए आई एम टेकिंग दिस रेजिस्टेंस ओनली विच इज 49,060 resistance of Nifty Bank, which is all time high. But yes, after breaking this, it will immediately reach to 49,500 around. But अभी मैं इस trend line पे will go later, will jump later after breaking this all time high only. This all time, let Nifty Bank break this all time high first, then will go to the next level, which can be 49,500. This level. Yes. So if I conclude to the level, I will go to the level. I can see the final support can be 47,300 and resistance 49,060, विच इज ऑल टाइम हाई. और बीच के सपोर्ट मैं बता चुकी हूँ 47,000, फर्स्ट 47,700 एंड देन 47,300. 47,300 इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट. आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग इट 47,000 पे जंप करना. अदरवाइज 47,300 को जो ट्रेडर हैं दे कैन टेक दिस लेवल वेरी वेरी सीरियसली. 47,300. So Nifty Bank trading area for coming week can be support 47,300, resistance 49,060. So this was a short picture of index levels Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank, which I can uh, discuss. In short, once again I will repeat the levels. Nifty 50 support 22,000, resistance 23,000. Nifty Bank levels support 47,300, resistance 49,060. I will give the link of stocks. I have made video on those stock which has posted just recently posted Q4 result. You can go through those stocks. I have discussed the fundamental also, Q4 results also, and their buying level also for the long term. So you can go through those stocks, you can study the stock, and you can make your decision. If you have any queries, any question regarding any stock, any index levels, comment me on comment box, or you can DM me also Instagram and on Twitter. ID is on your screen, and also I will share in the end screen the both the stocks video. I will share in end screen also and in link also. So like and share those videos and subscribe the channel for regular update of the index levels and stocks buying level for the long term. Signing off.